Good morning, everybody. It is Eric with Sprucehill Homes here. We are at Edgemont Elegance. It is a brisk morning here in Vancouver. October, brisk, cold. Too many jackets on, not enough sleep last night. Too much information about me though, and the temperature. Listen, the guys have been hard at work inside this house over the last couple of weeks, getting all of the interior finishing work done, starting to get ready for paint on the inside. Like, we are down to the short strokes of getting this house complete. I am so excited to show you where this house is at this moment in time. Let's go take a look. Okay, so we are on the driveway, obviously, and it is looking great. I love this paving stone. I actually have the same ones at my house. It is looking totally awesome. The retaining wall over here is looking incredible as well. Look at this granite caps on here. Like, this is absolutely exquisite. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship going on just here. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. One of the things that's going to be worked on over the next little bit here is installing these drains. And the reason being is we need to control where the water goes, right? We definitely don't want it going towards the house. So it's gonna go, and we've intentionally sloped the driveway towards the retaining wall, but we don't want to have a big lake over there, so we got to get the water to go somewhere. That's how we're going to do it. Now, what does that look like when it's done? This. So this is what this client will be driving over every day when he's going, or they are going into their garage. And so nice, clean, simple, beautiful. Very, 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 very good way to go. I mean, there's the concrete one with cast grates as well. This is nice, clean, modern, and it won't rust, which is nice. Now, over here, we've got, well, this is kind of like a landing pad here for the primary bedroom. So just a little landing pad here. We are obviously, well, maybe not, but we're definitely missing a piece of trim underneath that door. That's all a known entity and known something to have to do, but that's where that's looking right now. I think it looks pretty good. And one of the most important things that we need to get on this house as soon as possible are gutters. Without gutters, you can see how much water is getting on the masonry at the bottom of the walls here. And that's because it hammered rain here over the weekend, and the water drops down, kicks back up, hits the masonry. So getting gutters on the house is definitely a very important next step, and I believe that's happening this week, maybe next week at the latest. So very, very, very cool. We are now working our way over to the outdoor living area here. So we had to build this area up a little bit in order to make it so that there was a minimal step down out here. Sometimes there's just a little bit of massaging that needs to happen to make all of this stuff come together. But once it's all done and everything's backfilled and finished, this is gonna look magnificent. What a great entertaining area out here too, right? So yeah, I mean, it's super cool. It's gonna be a very, very nice place to hang out, entertain with friends, have a glass of wine, or a cup of coffee in the morning, whatever serves your purpose. That's really, I mean, that's as much as we really need to talk about on the outside of the house, I think, today. Let's go and see all the stuff that's going on the inside of the house. All right, so we are here in the formal dining, and I just wanted to point out the really cool details that we are putting in here. You know, you can really add a lot of character to a space by just adding some simple trims to the walls. This is still drywall, but you add these moldings here, and what will end up happening is this inside panel here, I think, anyways, will get painted the same color and with the same sheen of paint as the trim gets painted. And so what it'll give is it'll give an effect that this is actually wood when it's actually not. And this inner, or like the kind of areas in between, will be painted wall color, and it'll really pop. We'll see if I'm right. We'll see if I'm predicting the future correctly. But like, what a really nice way to make a wall more interesting, right? I mean, like, these details are just great. I absolutely love them. Totally cool. And really, really simple. Hard to lay out. We'll have to give credit to the team for getting these laid out and looking so fantastic. But once you've got it laid out, very, very cool detail. So if you're at your house and you're thinking, hey, I want to make my dining room look a little bit fancy, you don't have to like sheet over the entire wall and get a bunch of MDF and whatever else. You don't. Get some trims. You can use casing, whatever you want, and then paint this inside the same color as your trim, and it'll really create a really cool effect. So trim color, wall color. We're in one of the rooms upstairs, and I just wanted to kind of walk through where things are at. So we've got baseboards installed, crown moldings installed. The electricians are here getting all of their plugs and switches installed. The painters should be getting going. I'm hoping this, I should look at the project schedule before quoting anything, but I think they're getting going in the next week or two here. So it's looking really, really good in here. Really, really good. That's a wrap on today's walkthrough, everybody. Listen, if you have a home that you've been dreaming about building, we would love to be your partners in success. Hit us up. You can reach us on our phone here or on the website over here. We'd love to work with you. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. See you next time. Bye now.